Meta stock is up 14.49% in this session of the 27th of April 2023 on above average volume of 51.7 million shares and counting. At some point also the price reached a new 52-week high of 241.44%. It exceeded the previous high of $224.3 by 17.17%, $17.14, and was 104.08% above the 52-week low of $88.09 that was printed sometime in November of last year, 2022. Obviously, you know that the company has released its earnings outcomes, and the folks at Morningstar are saying that Reels monetization is becoming a reality, while network effect remains intact. The results confirmed their views on Reels monetization, ad conversion improvement, margin potential, and unharmed network effect mode source. They have increased their revenue projections and continue to expect margin expansion beginning in 2024, pushing their fair value estimate to $278 per share from $260, while the share price of this wide mode firm has increased more than 135% from its lows in November of 2022. They believe it remains undervalued. Okay, you can see that even with all of that, they still think it's undervalued. So with improvement in Reels impressions and ad prices, cannibalization of other ads on Instagram is likely to end this year or early in 2024, which will drive accelerating revenue growth. Reels has also helped increase time spent on Meta apps, which should further increase ad demand, not just on Reels but also on stories and feed. On the ever concerning Apple data policies front, Meta's on-site conversions continue to increase, reducing its dependence on data from non-Meta platforms and Apple. Meta has also enhanced its ad measurement capability to better handle Apple's restrictions, lowering hesitancy by advertisements. With regard to the bottom line, excluding restructuring charges, operating margin is likely to approach the high 20s or the low 30s this year, 2023, with more expansion through 2027. They commend the firm for shifting its short and medium term focus mostly towards increasing efficiency within its family of apps segment, which will help increase the capacity available to continue share repurchases and invest in enhancing artificial intelligence powered family of apps features, while also investing in the metaverse, the firm's long-term focus. Yes, okay, so yes, okay, this is the business strategy and outlook for the company. They believe Meta will continue to benefit from an increased allocation of marketing and advertising dollars towards online advertising, more specifically social network and video ads, where Meta is especially well positioned. The firm's Facebook app, along with Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp, is among the world's most widely used apps on both Android and iPhone smartphones. Meta is also taking steps to further monetize its various apps, such as providing interactive video ads and tapping into e-commerce. It's also applying artificial intelligence and virtual and augmented reality technologies to various products, which may increase Meta's user engagement even further, helping to further generate attractive revenue growth from advertisers in the future. So, and the bulls say that with more users and usage time than any other social network, Meta provides the largest audience and the most valuable data for social network online advertising. Meta's ad revenue per user is growing, demonstrating the value that advertisers see in working with the firm. The application of AI technology to Meta's various offerings, along with the launch of VR products, will increase users' engagement, driving further growth in advertising revenue. And the bears are saying that Meta is currently a one-trick pony and will be affected severely if online advertising no longer grows, or if more advertising dollars shift to others like Google or Snapchat. Despite rapid user growth, many of Meta's customers may also belong to other social networks such as Snapchat or TikTok. So the firm will continually have to fight to capture a user's time and engagement with its properties. Regulations could emerge that limit the application and collection of user and usage data, or restrict acquisitions, affecting data utilization and growth. So yes, let's see what's going on. Still holding the gain of around 14%. This is the 1 minute live chart. We have upper projections towards $242, and before that we have 241. And also remember that they have a fundamentally determined projection of 278 according to the folks at Morningstar. So we have a downward projection here of 238. So the all-time, the 52-week high is 241.44. So not very far away from that. So let's look at the weekly daily chart and see what the projection is for Meta. Okay, so right now it is right on its topmost upper projection, 241.1. that's where it is, but there are downward projections. 124 is the lowest, and we have 222 just below this 240 projection. So let's look at the weekly chart and see. So on the weekly chart we have there's now an extreme upper projection of $381.97. Is that possible? Well, in any case, see what you make of Meta stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.